This is an Adria Matrix semi-integrated motorhome on a Citroen base from Adria, and cost 80,000 euros nearly, and it is 749 centimeters long. As I come in, first thing I notice, we've got a bed above the semi-dinette, and we have also what appears to be a flat floor all the way to the back. So let's go to the back. See here, German layout at the back. It's got storage here and storage there. You can access the underbed storage by lifting up the bed, and then lift up. In fact, I'll do it. This will also come up as well, and that gives you access to your wardrobe. If you can't be bothered, however, to do that, then you can access it from here like that. And if you do it that way, the light comes on. On the other side, storage as well. Very deep storage, because it's now using the depth of the double floor. Make a German bed layout by pulling this thing across like that. We've got a mattress there. It'll fit in here, and that will make the bed much bigger. Storage in the steps, and at the back, lighting, indirect lighting, I think looks quite nice. Let's put this thing here back. Let's come back there, and you can see there's a switch under there. Could do, however, with some form of charging, sort of USBs or something along that nature. Let's just pull this one here down. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Don't need the cushion. That comes across like that. That goes here, and now you've got this really big bed. That's what it looks like when the bed is made into the German layout. Not that you can see how much space there is in the locker. Shower here with two proper domestic drainage points, so you can get some cover for that, and it'll stop all them bits that fall off your body from getting stuck in the waste pipe, drainage pipe I should say. Toilet through there. I'm not keen on these sinks. I think they're totally impractical in a motorhome. Look nice in a hotel or a Roman villa, but in a motorhome I'd much rather have a moulded one. Right, now the double floor mentioned earlier, we can see down here we've got a battery compartment. There we've got water, and further down you can see there's even been heating being built into the double floor. Kitchen, square sink, 3 burners, storage below, storage above and around the bed as well. We've got the fridge over on this side, storage above the fridge. It says push there. What's that mean? Push, doesn't it? Well, anyway, there is. We'll have to get them to fix that. You've got a hook up there, and large table, seating around it, and a pointless chair here, which I suppose is used for when you take your shoes off when you come into the vehicle. If you want to sit down up here in the passenger side, you can watch the television, which will go there. Light comes in via this skylight up here. Let's have a look outside. Oh, you've got a place there to stick your sandals as well as you come in and out the van. There you go. Here you find the garage. Garage comes with a spare wheel. Lots of motorhomes don't have spare wheels. You've also got electricity here, and here we have this very clever, well, it would be clever if it wasn't broken, put it down there, storage unit. In some vehicles they've got a what do you call it, a drawer there, which I think is probably better than something like that just falls off as soon as you try and open it. Let's look at the back. So there's I'll just show you another one. In fact, we'll have a look at this one here, the Coral, which is What's an unfair comparison? It's 131,000 euros. It's on a Fiat Ducato. Sorry, it's on a Mercedes base, and it's got this sort of this black cut that Adria uses in some of its vehicles. We have down here, comes with an oven. I'm not so keen on this face to face either. The face to face, you've got seat belts. You see, because the reason for that is because the under here and under there, there's another chair. So you lift it all up, and then you've got forward facing seats. Having said that, if you want a face to face, then you've got to put up with things like that. We'll have a quick walk around the stand. Starting with this Active Pro, which is the VW camper from Adria, which is not actually based on a VW but on a Renault. A number of campervans here, but on the motorhome front, I'd have to say that the star of this show, the Matrix, is really to a large extent the mid-range. These the top of the range are very attractive, really particularly nice motorhomes, and even the beginning of the top of the range, if there is such a thing, is this thing here, the Sonic, which is my favourite motorhome from Adria. The Compact Supreme, which is I think comparative to what we just looked at, 83,500 or 83,665. It doesn't have a double floor, face to face at the front, and much smaller vehicle. But what this has got, it's very narrow, so that I think is a very positive feature when you're trying to park, even trying to drive. I find that it's not as much the length that bothers me, it's the width of the van, particularly when you're going down these motorways in Germany where there's roadworks on and they're really tiny, much space. Anyway, let's come right way back now and have another look at the one we started off with, which is here. So, hope you found that interesting. I visit events like this one. This is Stuttgart CMT. I do this, been doing it now for some time, and this is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on the internet. I give unbiased reviews, and as you can hear, I am not actually supported by any manufacturer, which allows me to actually do that. So, for the moment though, thanks so much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.